So, hi guys, I've bought a new watch. I've bought a Dreyfuss & Co. The DGS0009104, and I got it today and I wanted to share it with you. So let's do a little unboxing. Got it like a few minutes ago with FedEx. So it won't be a review, it will be a normal unboxing thing, so you guys know how it looks like. It's a Swiss made, apparently a handmade watch. Well, I haven't seen a lot of reviews for this one, so you will be able at least to see how it looks like by the unboxing. Well, it's pretty big. It's heavy, but it looks very nice, actually. Very nice. So, I'm gonna open it. Oh, very nice. Okay. Looks like a chocolate, actually. Bad. There's a lot of info inside, I guess. Variety card. It is pretty good. It seems to me like a collection of watches what they got. Variety, it's on the other side. Let's put that away. This is something for me. And finally, we got it. Look at this huge thing. Looks brilliant. Okay, let's open it up. It looks just awesome. It is pretty huge. I love this one. Look at this coating. Looks like wood. Perfect. So let's open it up. Oh, nice. Nice. Isn't it beauty? Holy shizney. Oh, love it. Look at that. Looks perfect. By the way, if you look at the box, you have space for 5 watches inside here. This is pretty great. You get, with a watch, a box for 5 watches. I love it. It is completely great. The watch itself, well, let's open it up. There we go. What a beauty. Let's get this off. Should be sapphire glass on both sides. It seems very nice. I mean, very nice. It's a little bit cold from outside. But gotta admit, feels very heavy. Okay. Well, I hope. Yep, works perfectly. Okay. Well, thanks a lot, guys, for watching. I hope I could have been of help. Have a nice day.